I used to spend hours sending messages to my students, but now it all happens automatically. The moment I edit the student details such as their name, phone number, email, and the course, they get contacted instantly without me doing anything. So if you are also still manually messaging your students, then you are wasting your time. I was also tired of sending the same messages again and again, so I automated everything. Here, by using Pabbly Connect, I connected Google Sheet with WhatsApp and Gmail using Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how I have designed this workflow, let me quickly show you how it works in real time. So at that moment, I entered the new row in this sheet, that is my student name as a real user, one test phone number, email address, and the course as AI and machine learning. Immediately, I receive a personalized message that includes my name as a real user and the exact course that I have entered in this field, such as AI and machine learning, and one course link too. And not only this, after the 24 hours, I receive the mail too, and that will also personalized for me. It is only made possible with the help of this delay by Pabbly that I have used in this workflow. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this workflow step by step. At first, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and you will come on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of workflows for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual tasks. Here, after doing the sign-in process, you have to select the application as Pabbly Connect, and you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. After that, I am clicking on this create from scratch. It is asking me to give the workflow name that I am entering as how to automate Gmail, Google Sheets, and WhatsApp together. Complete business automation. After that, the folder I am selecting is Pabbly Connect. Next, I will click on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now, this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I entered a new record in my Google Sheet, then automatically the automation gets triggered. So for that, I am selecting my trigger application as Google Sheets. After that, the app event I am selecting as new or updated spreadsheet row. Next, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with your Google Sheet. At first, I am copying this webhook URL from here, and now I am going to take you to my Google Sheets account. See, this is my Google Sheets account where I have maintained my student records such as their full name, phone number, email, and the course. Now, for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet, you have to click on this extensions option. After that, click on this add-ons. Next, click on this get add-ons and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in this search bar. After that, you have to install this Pabbly Connect webhook, and once you install it, it is going to be appear here. You just have to click on this option. Next, click on this initial setup. The one setup is already running, so I am removing it and going to paste the new webhook URL in this field that I have copied from here. After pasting the webhook URL, you have to enter the trigger column. The trigger column is the final data column in your sheet where the data is added. So in this sheet, my trigger column is D. That's why I have entered the D here. Next, I will click on the send test button and see it says that test data sent successfully. Now we will also check our workflow. See, automatically I received a new response with all the details of the most recent row, with all the details that were entered in the first row of this sheet. After doing the setup, you have to click on the submit button and make sure that this send on event is always active. If it is not active, then the Pabbly Connect will not receive any data. So keep that in your mind. As we we have received the response, this means that our trigger step is working perfectly. Now I am moving forward to my action application, that is Pabbly Chat Flow, because I want to send instant messages to my user's WhatsApp account. After selecting the application as Pabbly Chat Flow, the app event I am selecting as send text message. Next I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, I am going to take you to my Pabbly Chat Flow account. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now what is Pabbly Chat Flow? So Pabbly Chat Flow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now for getting this token, you have to click on the settings option and go in this API and webhooks, and here you got your API token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, you have to click on the save button. So this is how easily you can connect your Pabbly Chat Flow account with Pabbly Connect. After that, in this recipient mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for sending personalized or dynamic message to each user, mapping is used. So to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. In this WhatsApp number field, I am going to do the mapping of the contact numbers. Here I mapped. You also do the same and make sure that the number will include the country code without plus sign as it is mentioned here too. Next, in this WhatsApp message field, I am going to enter the message that I want to send to my user. Next, in this WhatsApp message field, I am going to enter the message that I want to send with my students. Here I have added. Now after this, hi, I want my student name. So for that, I am again doing the mapping from the previous application. Here I have mapped the name as Priya Verma and also doing the mapping of course. See, this is how easily you can do the mapping. And I write this message content by my choice as a dummy example. You can customize it completely based on your own business. My objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. Next, these are not required fields, so I am leaving these blank and clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent, and immediately I received two. See, this is the same message content that I have entered in this WhatsApp message field. This includes my name as Priya Verma and our course as web development. Here I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occurs automatically. As we have received the message, this means that this step is also working perfectly. Moving forward, I want to send the personalized mail to my student after 24 hours. So for that, I am selecting my next application as Delay Pabbly. With the help of this application, I am going to delay the message for 24 hours. After that, the app event I am selecting as add time delay. Next, I will click on this connect button. Here you have to select how much delay you want to put in your workflow. So I am selecting it as delay 4. Next, the delay unit I am selecting as hours and the delay value I entered as 24 because I want to send the mail after 24 hours. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button and see I received the positive response, that is status as success, and the message is delayed for 24 hours. Moving forward, I am going to take my next application as Gmail. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting as send email. Next, I will click on this connect button. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. Next, I am clicking on the sign in with Google. After that, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this continue button, and you will see this is how easily you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with your Gmail. After that, the sender name I am entering as Bright Minds Academy, and as soon as you can connect your Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. Next, in this recipient email address field, I am going to do the mapping from the previous application. So the process of doing mapping is the same. Here I have mapped next the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I'm leaving these blank and directly writing the email subject in this field. As your learning journey starts with one step, moving forward in this email content field, I'm going to enter the email content. Here I have entered after this hi to, I want my username, so I'm doing the mapping here. See, as it is visible that how easily you can do the mapping, and mapping is most important, and it is visible that how easily you can do. Here I have mapped the course to. Next is the email content type. I'm selecting as HTML because I write this email content in the HTML format. You can also create a HTML email by clicking on this here below, and a complete tutorial of how you can create an HTML link is also there. After that, the labels I'm selecting as inbox. Next, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can attach it from here. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button. Here I have clicked on this button just only to check this, that is the mail is sending or not. See, I have received the positive response and immediately one mail too, that includes my name as a Priya Verma and the course as web development. This mail is sent instantly because I clicked on the save and send test request button, but to your student it will send after 24 hours because we have set it this delay by Pabbly before this application. So this is how it works. As we have received the mail, this means that our workflow is working perfectly and it is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.